Hey there! Today, we're exploring why bird baths are so important for our feathered friends and how they help them stay healthy. Let's get into it. Bird bathing offers several key benefits. Bathing helps birds remove parasites, such as mites and lice, and clean their feathers, which is essential for insulation and flight. Mice and lice are two different types of pests that can affect birds. Both pests can impact bird health and well-being, so keeping bird feeding areas clean and monitoring for signs of infestation can help mitigate these issues. Regular baths help birds maintain the waterproofing and overall condition of their feathers, which is crucial for insulation and buoyancy. Bathing is a way for birds to cool down, especially during hot weather. Clean feathers help birds regulate their body temperature more effectively, keeping them comfortable in various weather conditions. Bathing provides birds with mental stimulation and a natural behavior that contributes to their overall well-being. Providing birds with access to clean, shallow water for bathing supports these benefits and encourages natural behaviors. Bathing provides a form of enrichment, allowing budgies to engage in natural behaviors, which can reduce stress and boredom. To encourage bathing, provide a shallow dish of water or a specially designed bird bath and ensure it's clean and fresh. Many budgies enjoy misting with a spray bottle as an alternative to a bath. In summary, bathing offers numerous benefits, whether for humans or animals like budgies. It promotes hygiene by removing dirt and bacteria, supports skin and feather health, and provides relaxation and stress relief. Regular bathing can also aid in parasite control and enhance overall well-being. By integrating bathing into your routine or your pet's care, you contribute to better health and a more comfortable, enjoyable experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into bird training techniques. See you next time!